Good morning, guys. It's the first day of school. I literally just got out of the shower, and yeah, I'm about to just get ready to get dressed for the day. Yeah, I'm really excited. Today's the first day of my junior year, and classes. I'm excited for classes. Like, I'm just excited to be back and be the best that I can be, to make up my bed and then pick out an outfit to wear, because you know I gotta be cute or whatever. So we're gonna do that, make sure my hair is looking all crisp and nice, and we're gonna be ready to go. So I'm gonna see y'all back when I have my clothes on. Okay, you guys, so I'm finished getting dressed. I'll show y'all my whole outfit in a little mirror over there when I get a chance. I'm about to make up my bed because I don't like unmade beds. So I'm gonna make mine up before I even do anything else. So boom, that's basically how I make my bed. It's real cute. Not really much going on right now. Like, my theme is pink, so I'm not really finished decorating, if you have to say. I had string lights that went like all the way around, but they broke, so I gotta get more. End of the story. I gotta get more string lights because right now it's looking real plain. I already brushed my teeth and washed my face and put lotion on. Got dressed or whatever. I'm putting this on my face because my face get really dry for some reason. I don't know. It looks like it's gonna rain. It looks like it's gonna rain today, so I don't know. I'm so sad. I'm gonna have to go buy an umbrella because I left mine at my house, like, which is like 12 hours away from my school. So I need to go do that. But thank God all today I have is fashion tech apps, which only requires that I use my computer. So that's not bad. Please, y'all, if y'all see any mess, excuse it. I'm still unpacking. I'm still getting things together as we speak. Alright. I wish you guys could see me better in the mirror, but you can't. I am going to, actually, I'm not going to do my makeup right now because it's 9:21. I was going to leave out of here at like 9:45 to, let me sit you guys right here. Okay, got it. So it's 9:21, it looks like. I'm going to eat a little bit. I went to Walmart the other day, and do I want cereal? I don't want cereal. I'm gonna get some French toast sticks. I'm just gonna do something light and have a yogurt peach, because I really want to get my book bag together. I'm looking at the stuff on my thing. I'm like, I need my binder, I need a book bag, like, I just need to get myself together. Even though I'm only taking my computer, of course. Yeah, I have, how many courses do I have this year? Ooh, I need my earrings. I have this little dress form jewelry hanger. She's cute. I put all of my jewelry, all of my jewelry on there. I just thought it'd be cute. I found this in Hobby Lobby because it goes with my major, you know. So I was like, let me get this. Why does it keep falling? I don't even know where it went. Oh shit. Where did it go? Alright, well, I'm just gonna put this back. That's weird. I really don't know where it went. wasn't even my favorite earrings anyways. So yeah, I got my nails done before I got down here. I also got my eyebrows done before I got down here too, just because I really wanted to be cute for school. And now I am. And I got my hair done too. If you're in the Atlanta area, you should go get your hair done by Braids by Madeline. I'll add her on the screen and also in my bio. If you like these tribal braids, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I call them tribal braids and I looked it up. That's what popped up, honey. So she did her mom also does hair. So if one of them's busy, somebody else can do it for you. They do really good hair. Girl, these braids were tight when I got them. They're so sweet though. Like, I love them. This is my second time going to them. They also did my lemonade braids when I came back to school. So, and they last. She put my little charm right here. And my little string. I might add another one of these on this side though. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, she did my hair. And girl's only $150. And I got waist length. Okay? Y'all can't even see it off the screen. Well, on the screen. Y'all can't even see it. I'm looking to see if anybody's looking at me outside because I have my window open. But I honestly, because, yeah, I honestly like having natural light. I don't know. I'm not like one of those people who be like, oh, turn off the light to conserve energy and like open the blinds. I just actually like the blinds to be open because I just like natural light coming in. I don't know, it's just me. I always tell my mom, I'd be like, Mom, open the door. I mean, not open the door. Open the window and let the light in. Because I don't know. It just makes me feel good about my morning. If I open the window, that lets me know I need to get the fuck out of bed. Period. Because we ain't got time to be sleeping in this year, okay? I'm trying to be out and about. There's so much going on. I had an alarm go off on my phone. My mom called me. And then I was trying to record. And every time one of those things happen, it like stops the video. So, my bad. I'm about to put on a little foundation on my face to kind of look, I don't know, like I made up. So I'm gonna put a little bit on, not a lot, and do my eyebrows. I'm not doing a lot. Like, look, this is all I have. That's it. That's all I'm doing. I'm not gonna do a lot today just because I need to go to the bookstore because you guys over here, I need to go to the bookstore. So I'm not really doing, I can't even put on my lashes right now because that's just not in the agenda. So I'm gonna have to do mascara and call it a day. My makeup and my hair, just something simple. I really wasn't going for much. You know, I forgot some mascara because I didn't put on my lashes today, so I could do a little mascara. Now let me get my book bag. I have this cute little book bag that already has books in it. What I need to do is go. Ooh. Oh, this just has all of my bundles. Y'all got bundles, weed in here and stuff. Wow. Wow. That don't make no sense. All right. guess since I'll already be out, I'm just gonna chill in the library or whatever when I get there, because I'm not gonna come back to my room. So I'm just gonna spend an hour sitting in the student center, probably reading over my syllabus or whatever. Let me close these blinds. Yeah, just reading over my syllabus, stuff like that, because I don't really want to come back. I don't even need my shades today. That's sad. That's sad. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to my destination. Logging off, y'all. So I'm in here. I got here early. I got the thing I needed from the bookstore, the USB, but I'm still so confused. So I've never had a class in this building before, so I'm really just walking around. But at least it don't start till 10:45. So let me see. This is a gym. What are you looking for? Lobby. Hey, you guys. So I got some help. This is on the right. Yes, on the right. 134. A, B, C. Oh, I think I'm the first one in here. I am. Or maybe not. Guys, I was literally so lost. I was so lost. I hear people. I hear people. This is a studio, by the way. The sewing machines. This is probably where I'll be at. Alright, you guys. So, I made it in. And I was lost for a little bit, but I made it. Now, I'm just standing on my mouse, because this thing was like $20, but I needed it for this freaking mouse. Let me open it, see if I can get it set up without breaking the nail. Did you get a battery for your mouse? I did. I think they came with them, yeah. Because I had one last year, but then I lost it, so that was a bummer. It's working. It's working. Alright, so let me turn this on really quick.
It's supposed to be here, but then we saw the why not this side is much more appropriate for track classes. Yeah.
And the bigger TV is there.
Yeah, but then they said, I think Trissa said they're having pattern class in a little bit.
Here.
Yeah, in the same room, so we cannot break them because they have to use machines. So pattern and drapings at the end.
Right, right. So then I can still stay here.
No, there needs to be a, the patterns has to use tables.
So they'll go here.
They're trying to get the classes together, so.
So maybe yours is.
I'm gonna go up and look. What are you in? What class are you in?
I'm in fashion tech apps.
Okay. So you'll be in the middle section.
The middle section.
Well, let's stay here for a second. Let's see if the patterns are coming, because we don't know the pattern what they want to do.
But because I thought it was all set up for more pattern there.
Upstairs? But then why there's a machine here? I think.
Oh.
Who's teaching pattern class? We can ask you.
I don't know, they're trying to figure it out. I'm gonna finish setting up my computer, because I don't even know what's going on. I don't know anything. I'm just here early, just in case. She said we're in the middle. I don't know where I am. This thing is hard to open. Hard. I'm struggling. So Let's see if this mousey works, because I done bought it. And I bought this thing to go with it. So, let's see.
I got 134. Yep, I was just trying to figure it out. I'm 134.
Is this one A or?
Did you go up to 2? Did you go up to 234? Okay. Because I saw you earlier. Oh. I'm hoping it's here. This is 230. This is what I think to be 134A.
Okay. So this is for Fashion Tech apps. It's 134A.
I think they're tech over there.
Okay, I'm like 134. It says 134A for tech apps on my little phone thing for the class. That's what I was asking. Okay. Remove.
I have 134A.
Hey guys. So I made it back to my dorm. I went to the bookstore and I got some books, some textbooks. I was gonna get more, but of course textbooks are very expensive and I don't have that kind of money on my side to go ahead and buy that. I was gonna buy a fashion draping book that I needed and a flat pattern book, but of course they did not have them. So, well, they did have them, I didn't have the money for them. So I ended up getting these 2 used books. I rented them out because this is not a part of my major. I'm taking geology, so I bought my geology books right here. They were so cheap to rent. Advice to you guys, if you're taking just basic core classes, don't buy the textbook unless like the professor like absolutely requires you to. Otherwise, just rent them out, because I mean, one book I rented it for $2.40 and the other one was like $5 to rent. So boom. Guys, this is probably gonna be the end of the video because I don't really know what else to do. I mean, I could, just because this is my first video, I honestly don't know if you guys want to like see me do my work or anything like that. So kind of like trying to end the video right here at this point because I'm finished with my class for the day. I ate. I'm gonna do a little bit of homework. Like I said, I'm going to definitely practice my fashion tech apps because you're gonna need practice, period. But yeah, I guess this is like the end of the video. If you guys want to see more of my day-to-day life, like just everything that I do in the day, if y'all want to see me do some homework and work and actually like see what I do in the studio, then definitely request it. Tell me what you guys want to see, because I'm down to film anything really. You know, I ain't got nothing else to do besides go to school and work, of course. But yeah, trying to make the most out of this year. I'm very excited about this year, and I can't wait to see what God has in store for me. So I guess I'm gonna start on some homework, and I need to get my charger and stuff from over there. But I'm gonna start on some homework, and yeah, that's the end of my video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, definitely like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat so I can see what I be up to. So thanks for watching. Bye.